Hi, so today we're here for the second episode of Talk of the Town by HSJ Bareilly. Today's episode, we're bringing you great insights from two very successful people of Bareilly, and we're going to be discussing the changing business scenario in the small towns of Bareilly, in the small towns of India. Amit uncle, Raja uncle, I have seen with my peer group, we have achieved or gained 5 or 6 years of work ex, working with others, working in corporate spaces. But now I've seen a transition. They are moving to their hometowns, which is not necessarily the metropolitan areas, and they are either joining their business houses, they're starting their own consultancies, or they're starting a new venture altogether. तो आप लोगों ने not being in a metropolitan area, you have gained a name for yourself in Bareilly and beyond. So today I want to learn from you. आप लोगों की क्या journey रही है and what advice would you give to the younger generation that is bringing about a lot of changes in cities like ours.
Yeah.
So first of all, Amit uncle,
Yeah, sure.
आपके बारे में पापा ने मेरे को एक स्टोरी बताई है.
Oh, really?
हाँ जी. So he had gone to Aola, which is 40 kilometers from here. कुछ कचहरी गए थे,
Yes,
हम
yes,
तहसील
yes, he told
रजिस्ट्री
me,
के.
yes.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. तो अंकल, आप या तो साथ में होंगे, बट ही वॉज देयर फॉर सम वर्क, एंड जब तक वो वेटिंग चल रही थी बाहर, तो लंच आवर शुरू हो गया वहाँ पे. देयर वाज काफी सारे ठेले थे, तो देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ क्राउड एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड ही नोटिस दैट वन वेंडर वाज डूइंग पर्टिकुलरली वेल. मतलब 10 वेंडर्स एक तरफ एंड एक वेंडर एक तरफ. पापा being the curious person he is, he went up to the vendor. He's like, भैया आपका मेन्यू आइटम्स थोड़ा ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव तो है, लेकिन आपके यहाँ भीड़ सबसे ज्यादा लगी हुई है. दैट वेंडर टोल्ड पापा, सर क्वालिटी बिकती है, मैं अजंता के कुलचे यूज करता हूँ. एंड दैट वाज एक्चुअली द बिजनेस लर्निंग फॉर अस दैट डे. इट इज दैट when your quality speaks for you as a brand, and when the masses of India recognize that quality, and that is when you have made it. That is the success that you have achieved.
Yes, yes, yes.
So Amit uncle, I want to know, what has your journey been? आपने मतलब after education, did you join Ajanta right away?
This is all destiny. Like
Okay.
you plan something and something else happens. My dad was having this business,
Right.
and that was on a very small scale at that time. And I did my MBAs, and I was a trainee at Reliance Petrochemicals.
Okay.
Meanwhile, there was a situation here, and Dad called me back, and it was just a small time, and I was back. I was actually bonded with the hard work my dad has done, the sweat and blood he's given
Right.
to his business. So I was just like, I could see the things were problematic here, and they were facing some problems. So I was just waiting for a call, and he called, and I rushed.
Okay.
So this is how it started. Then we एक और एक 11 कहते हैं ना हो जाते हैं.
Right.
So me and my dad, like we became a team, and then it started, and it's all in front of you now.
Okay. So did you have this vision coming into it when you got that call from your father?
Actually, every day was a learning for me. I got a platform, although it was good, but there were big problems.
Okay.
So कहते हैं कि सपने भी ना धीरे धीरे करके बनते हैं.
Right.
तो वो सपने भी धीरे धीरे करके
Okay.
आप उनको पालना पोसना शुरू करते हैं, and they start getting big.
Okay.
And this is what I tell everybody, like there is no shame in starting small, but dream big.
Right.
So I had a vision. Like when I started, first of all, I wanted everything to be organized.
Right.
At that time, things were not that organized. So applying education to it and applying the systems to it, and bringing the team, building a team. It was all required. That there was like nothing.
Right.
So gradually, when I started working, and I started dreaming too. तो फिर धीरे धीरे सपना बड़ा होता गया, and फिर again it's a story now in
Right.
front of you.
So, Uncle, now moving on to you in the hot seat. Uncle, if I talk about the list of your accomplishments and all that you do for the city, I'll have to read it so that I don't miss out on anything. So, first of all, you are a leading tax consultant of not only Bareilly but beyond Bareilly as well. You have been the ex-president of the Income Tax Bar Association. You are on the Tax Advisory Committee. You are also a Bareilly Club director. And as the director, you have made major infrastructure upgrades to the club, which I think no one else has been able to achieve in modern times. Other than this, you are also the chairman of the Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee. You also manage a community kitchen, which is feeding almost 500 people every day. And Uncle, beyond this also, if anyone asks for your help, you're ready to stand by them.
He's always ready.
And
Any hour.
exactly. So they say that, someone's name really makes a difference on their personality. So, Uncle, is that the case? How did the name Raja come about?
It is from my parents' side.
Right.
They named me Raja.
Hanji.
But it is all due to my parents, whatever I am today. This all things were inculcated in me by my father. I saw him doing good for everyone. He
Right.
always used to say कि नेकी कर कुएं में डाल और सबका भला करते जाओ.
Right.
And मैंने उनके फॉर्मूले को अडॉप्ट किया.
Right.
And me and my brother now took this
Okay.
profession to next high level.
तो आपको ये भी पता था कि आपको मतलब ये ही ज्वाइन करना है और इसी में कंटिन्यू करना है?
Actually, what happened that when I was studying in class 11, my father
Right.
had a severe heart attack.
Okay.
I was studying, but my younger brother was also studying in class 9th at that point of time. So he was told that we need a chartered accountant in the family. He was
Right.
preparing for NDA.
Okay.
He wanted to become an Air Force pilot.
Okay.
But he was told by my sisters were elder. They told we want a CA and
Right.
we want a advocate also in the family.
Okay.
So I was told to assist my father.
Right.
I used to assist him and I used to gain practical knowledge. And studying and practical knowledge went together.
Right.
So that is what I am today. It is all
Right.
due to my father.
Okay. Okay. And Uncle, like Papa's Dadaji used to say that in a business family, the kids of the family, they learn the business while having dinner with the elders of the family. Was it the same with you as well?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
When I was with my father, I used to learn
Right.
so many things from him.
Exactly.
And what you gain from the practical experience, that is something
Yes.
different from the bookish knowledge.
Yes. Yes.
So I learned so many practical things from him that we are far ahead from other tax consultants today, and we
Right.
have chain of offices all over,
Right.
and we have a very good team. So we are working, and we have a very good client base, and that
Right.
is from last more than 50 years. My
Okay.
father started his practice in the year 1958, and he first opened his office in Delhi.
Oh. Okay.
So that time he was a visionary.
Right.
He had a vision that we should expand to other cities, and I must say that around 20-30 cities we are working,
Wow.
and we have
Okay.
clients all over, and we
Okay.
work pan India now. We have a very
Okay.
big client base.
Okay. So my apologies that I wasn't
Not-
aware of that.
not-
But this is amazing. So Uncle, how did you expand this client base? Like sitting in Bareilly or Delhi, maybe even coming from Bareilly, was it more challenging for you to do this?
No, it was my brother keeps traveling to Delhi NCR, and I take care of UP and Uttarakhand.
Okay.
So this profession basically is of trust.
Yes.
And when you are so much loyal and sincere towards your client, by word of mouth spreads
Right.
that they do deliver what they say they deliver. And whoever comes to us, they are always in a kiosk, they get a notice or something, and they need a troubleshooter.
Yes,
So we work as
definitely.
a troubleshooter for them and
Right.
get this resolved.
Right. And you have to be, whenever your client requires it,
Yeah, we have to
there.
be there. Yes,
Okay.
definitely.
Okay. So, Uncle, you work with so many businesses, so you have a lot of insider knowledge.
Yes.
So, according to you, what business or what sectors do you think are going to be driving the next, wave of growth in smaller cities or in India in general?
See, the upcoming business will be e-commerce.
Okay.
E-commerce is already taking up,
Right.
and the future is of e-commerce. Every business needs, it is, you say, from manufacturer to the consumer, D2C, you can say, and then you can say ki, while this Elon Musk, now the Narendra
Yes.
Modi ji has already collaborated. This when once this Elon Musk technology comes,
Right.
then you can say that it will be penetrating internet till the rural areas,
Okay.
and it will expand so much. So upcoming business will be
Yes.
through internet and
Right.
e-commerce.
A digital solution or
Digital
an
solution,
e-commerce
yes,
solution.
yes.
Definitely. Uncle, as a business owner or an entrepreneur, how important do you feel is the knowledge of accounts or law? Matlab, does that help? And does it make your job harder?
No, it doesn't make our job any more.
Right.
No issues to our job, but one should be updated.
Right.
There are so many new definitions in law coming day by day. One should be updated. And accounts, basically, if you have a knowledge of accounts, you can handle your business more efficiently,
Right.
and you can get more good results in it. So it is always good if children involve themselves in the accounts and check accounts of their companies
Right.
and their business houses.
Right.
It's always good for them.
Okay. And uncle, आप जैसे बोल रहे थे, your legacy that has carried on from your father, and now that you and your brother are handling it, I have a little story to tell here as well. So, a very senior officer he's retired now, but in his biography he has written that he remembers Bareilly by two things: the Bareilly Club and the two Chawla brothers.
So kind of
Yes.
him. But we have been doing good for everyone.
Yes,
This
definitely.
is what is inculcated in us.
Yes.
We have never thought bad about anyone.
Right.
And when you do good, good comes back
Exactly.
Yes, indeed.
to you.
Yes.
This is what is happening.
Yes, definitely.
Ji.
I think your ethics and your values, if they are in place, like work speaks for itself. right?
Definitely.
Ab Ajanta, how many outlets do we have?
We have 22 outlets now,
Okay.
and 3 are company outlets.
Right.
The rest are on franchise model.
Okay.
And we are coming up with 2 more outlets. One is in Rampur,
Right.
and one is on the mini bypass.
Okay.
We already had a company outlet very recently in Lucknow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, that's
We
amazing.
made a small presence in the
Okay.
capital city.
Definitely, and I think it's a very big step. And you won't believe it, uncle. On our way back,
Yeah.
My brother and I, हम लोग count करते हुए जाते हैं. Oh, इतने outlets हैं, and there's always this discussion कि इतने हैं या इतने हैं. But today I got the final number. And now whenever we'll be traveling outside of Bareilly, also that taste of home will always be with us.
Great.
We have got the list of our outlets on the bags and on the packings.
And were you managing this expansion single-handedly? And if
No.
so, how did you do it?
Like me and my dad, initially we both were there.
Right.
Then we started hiring good people.
Okay.
Then now we have got a full team, a hierarchy set up in our organization.
Okay.
We are a private limited company, and like we have got a GM, we have production managers, HR, everything. Like we have got the whole hierarchy now. So things are to be organized. Otherwise, you have to have a good team to play good in the playground. Otherwise, it will be a disaster. So unless you want to achieve something, you got to plan in a good way.
Right. So keep building as you go along.
Yes.
Have an organizational structure.
Exactly.
And have the right team.
Right.
Around
You have
you
to
as well.
hire people. You have to hire good brains. If you think you can do it by yourself, it is not possible.
Right.
आपको लाना पड़ेगा. You have to hire people.
People who have that expertise.
Yes.
मतलब
Yes.
managing a team
Exactly.
or whatever it may be.
Exactly. You have to hire people.
Okay. So, uncle, Indian food or just food in general, I feel Indian cooking की बात ले लें, whenever you ask a mother or someone कि recipe क्या है, everything is अंदाजे से. There is no standard recipe, but clearly, आपका बहुत consistent flavor है. So how do you bring that about?
Now that credit goes to my dad.
Okay.
Initially, like we all like in our industry, we have a team of karigars, not chefs.
Okay.
है ना? So we work through karigars. They have been traditionally trained by their family or by some guru chela concept. So we have that team, and they used to work with Andaza only. But gradually we felt कि there should be a written recipe of everything.
Okay.
तो पहले तो चल रहा था, but once you start organizing things and once you on a other track, so you have to like pen down everything. So now we have got SOPs for everything,
Okay.
and we have got all the recipes in written, and every team knows कि क्या मतलब measurements उनको डालने हैं. अभी अंदाजा नहीं चलता है अभी.
Right. And the factory in Bareilly itself is supplying to all your outlets?
Yes. We have got a base kitchen. We have got
Okay.
a huge base
Right.
kitchen, and very good one. Like, proud to say, in the whole UP, you'll not find such a organized workshop.
Okay.
Yes.
I would love to visit it someday.
Please, you're always welcome. You're always welcome.
Okay, definitely. I would love to be there. Next thing, Uncle, as you have, built your company outlets as well, I have noticed a change in the sweet shop. Like, pehle, it was mainly focused on mithai. I could be wrong on this. But
नहीं, you are right.
आप बताइए that has the concept of a sweet shop changed from, having only mithai to now catering to, going into dry fruits, chocolates, and also becoming an eating outlet?
Dry fruit and chocolate, they always used to be a part of our industry, in Bareilly also. But this concept of restauranting, basically eating, becoming an eatery, people
Right.
coming in, like having snacks and something, that was not in Bareilly.
Right,
This came from Delhi, like Haldiram, Bikaner wala,
Yes.
which they are all doing it.
definitely.
But still, they tried to experiment this in Bareilly also, but it failed.
Okay,
You've seen two brands, they came in the city, but things didn't click. Maybe at that time, the acceptance was not there.
okay,
Seeing the mithai shop and restaurant in the same premises. But gradually, the things have changed, and now snacking is a big part.
yes.
Like now you can't imagine a sweet shop without snacking. So
Definitely.
ये
And
तो है.
uncle, honestly, the product offerings are so good.
Thank you.
आप believe नहीं करेंगे, every week there's a box from Ajanta in our lunch room. Either Dadi has ordered something, my brother has ordered something, or I'm ordering something.
Although I have what I feel is I still want to keep the restaurant and the sweet shop a bit separate.
Okay,
My thinking is that way. Like even we have got a restaurant.
Right.
We have got in the older part of the Bareilly. That
Okay.
is the Ghantagar side. Na? We have got a restaurant it's, with the name the Royal Patiala Kitchen.
okay,
And it's a buffet restaurant, very beautiful restaurant, very beautiful setup.
right.
With a concept of unlimited eating.
Okay,
In a particular amount, you'll find.
all you can eat buffet.
We've got around 16 recipes served every day,
Wow.
and unlimited food you can have in
Okay.
just a particular amount.
Okay.
That is right now it's 250 rupees. In 250 rupees you can have unlimited
Wow.
food. So it's separate.
Right,
The sweet shop is not there.
right,
Only the restaurant is running.
right.
And in my other outlets also, like we are not we are having all the like chart is there, rice bowls are there, snacks are there, but restaurant is not there.
Right.
So I run with a bit different concept.
Right. Okay. So, I mean, the buffet is something that is all year round. It is not a
Yes.
thing, whereas mithai could be seasonal.
I focus on my base products, like that is the sweets, the bakery, and the namkeens.
Right.
We've got a big range of bakery now. So many SKUs. Nobody is offering right now.
Yes.
So my focus is on my base product.
Okay.
So once I get into restaurants, the focus will shift to serving
Right.
instead of the things the recipes we are making. I want people to take them home.
Right. So always focus on your base product,
Yes.
but keep growing from
Exactly.
venturing into
Yes.
others. And uncle, आपके लिए, for you, as for Ajanta to go from a sweet shop to now a brand, according to you, what was that turning point?
maybe you can say that was the need of the time actually. What happened when I joined, I saw that my team can, if you can, like, just an example, my team can make 100 kgs, it was just making 50 kgs. So I thought, why not let them make 100 kgs and increase the selling points? So we started giving franchise. That was a very desi model at that time. Like, even we were not that organized. So we added a few people. Huge investments were not at that time possible from our end. So I कहते हैं ना बीच का रास्ता एक निकालना. So we picked a few outlets which were already running in a few areas of the city, and those people joined us. We started our small counter inside their outlet. They were already having a customer base, so it clicked. And then when it clicked, then people started recognizing. Recognition पहले से था, but it made a reach to the common people. तो उससे एक better हमको एक advantage मिल गया. Brand building वहाँ से start होनी शुरू हो गई. It was the stepping stone, you can say. तो वो with baby steps it started gradually growing. और उसके बाद में फिर we came on specific with all written agreements and all, और उसके हमने वो एक standards ready कर दिए, और फिर again एक अच्छा हमारा एक chain बनना start हो गया. And that's how the brand started building, when we made a reach to the common man. And once you are reaching the common, when the common man starts recognizing you,
Yes.
at that time you realize that okay, you have earned something now.
Yes. For a product,
If
in
not
India-
money, then at least name you've got earned.
yes,
You've earned.
that legacy you start building.
Yes.
And in a place like India, the power of the masses speaks for itself.
Yes. If somebody has earned the trust of masses,
Yes.
and the very good example is Reliance. है ना, बंदे बंदे के हाथ में जियो का मोबाइल. रिलायंस तो पहले था, पहले रिलायंस का मोबाइल. तो मतलब ये कॉन्सेप्ट आप देखो, उन्होंने दे रिकॉग्नाइज कि मासेस तक पहुंच गया ना जो,
Yes.
ही कैन डू इट.
Yes.
तो इंडिया के लिए तो एक ही फॉर्मूला है, रीच टू द मासेस.
Yes. Definitely.
I think the next opportunity lies in the quick commerce now. E-commerce is indeed doing very good, and but the quick commerce is going to take over everything. The way like these people are working, you need a shampoo and it is there at your doorsteps in 10 minutes. Imagine you need a pack of any मतलब blades चाहिए, Gillette चाहिए, and you need food. In the midnight, you need a platter of anything, Chinese platter or something. Within 10-15 minutes, he's there at your doorsteps. So they are spoiling us.
Yes.
And once they are spoiling us, they are capturing the whole market.
Yeah.
Totally.
Definitely.
Gifts are also there. Everything.
Everything is there. Everything is there.
Gold coins also being delivered on that. Which is
So
like,
your papa's business is also flourishing.
Yes,
I mean,
yes.
that was the biggest thing that
It
I
is-
felt.
it is going to
that
be the-
people are buying gold coins also on this.
It is a very big opportunity now, and they are for the small cities. I think they are taking over everything now, and it is indeed a bit threat to a challenge for the local businessman. But even they are getting engaged. Like
Yes.
we guys, we are selling on Swiggy and Zomato,
Yes.
and we are drawing some good revenues from there. So I think it is a very big thing.
Okay.
Rather bigger than the e-commerce now. Quick commerce is
Next
going good.
place to be.
Yes.
And this आप दोनों बताइए कि staying in Bareilly, did you face any challenges, or was there something that worked out because you were in Bareilly? I mean, this could be in terms of if infrastructure is lacking here in some ways, if you feel professionals are, being drained from.
Like what I feel is कि we are very hugely populated city, and we have got a good manpower here, but skilled manpower is a big problem. है ना? The brain drains. Like the brain drains from India to the other European countries. So likewise, from the smaller cities, they go to the bigger
Metros.
cities,
Brain
tier
drain
1
from
cities.
tier
From
2 to tier
tier
1.
one.
Yes.
So it is a big challenge for us to find good talent and then to retain them. You know, once they are trained, they rush to the bigger cities. It is one big challenge. The other big challenge what I find is, like, every year there is a batch of new entrepreneurs which are coming into the market.
Right.
Either like families में से बच्चे बड़े हुए, कुछ जिनकी families business में नहीं है, service में है, but they want to become an entrepreneur. So every year there is a batch of new entrepreneurs coming into the market and they want to play in the same playground, the city playground. But where is the playground? We don't have commercial places. The way the city is expanding, it is a big problem. Although authorities are doing, but not with the pace of the time.
Right.
है ना? We need big commercial places. Where will those kids go? वो कहाँ जाएंगे? फिर वो छोड़ के they'll go outside. They'll go to the tier 1 cities or they'll leave India.
Right.
है ना? तो if they want to become good entrepreneurs, तो or they want to be good players of this business, they need a playground.
Right.
You have to have good industrial areas. You have to have good commercial places. तो वो it is the work of authorities
Right.
to think over it.
It's a two-way thing. मतलब
Yes.
one can bring the ideas, but the support is required.
Exactly, and the government has to play a big role in this.
The government is offering some certain
Government is
subsidies for these new startups and all. That is also making a
They are-
difference.
Yes, they are offering subsidies. They are also making commercial places,
Commercial
but not with the
places.
pace of the time. So that's what I am saying.
Right.
Not with the pace of the time. जितनी आप सोचो ना, इतने so many people are coming every day, है ना? But our markets are all packed up. We need new marketplaces, and we are still running in those old traditional marketplaces. We need new marketplaces, or we need new places to be recognized as commercial places now. It is the need of the time.
Bareilly is still coming up with 2-3 new
Yeah,
big areas.
big
Okay.
areas.
And this urban heart is coming up, and
Right.
this new city mall is coming up.
हाँ, हाँ.
Right.
New ventures are coming.
New ventures are coming. But
Bareilly
this is a
going to
positive
flourish.
sign.
Yeah, it is a positive
Right.
sign.
It is a
Right.
positive
This way,
sign.
Bareilly will flourish more.
And uncle, as a professional in the services industry, do you also face similar challenges कि brain drain होता है?
Definitely.
Okay.
We face. For that, we have to pay extra to those professionals to stop them not going to the
Right.
metros. That we have to. But ठीक है, it is part of the
Right,
game.
right.
You
Yes,
have
yes, it is a part.
part
Of
of the
course,
game.
of course. And do you feel that had you been in a metropolitan area, things would have been different?
The things would have been different in the if you see finances, but the recognition you have in small cities
Right.
is uncomparable.
Yes.
Right.
Everybody knows you. You have a big social circle. You are a socialite. You have time for everyone. You
Right.
that
Right.
way you have a big recognition.
Right.
As compared to metros.
Right. And I feel the relationships also.
Matters. Here,
They matter.
relationships are different.
Right.
You have a different bonding. In
Yes.
small
Actually, in small towns, things work on emotion. Also.
Yes, it's not transactional.
Exactly.
transaction.
You go to a person's showroom or outlet, you know that person knows you. है ना? So sometimes all these relationships and bondings they work in the
Exactly.
business.
Yes, definitely. And आप आजकल की जो younger generation है, sometimes they're hesitant to move back, even if they have businesses or they have a base in smaller towns, they're hesitant to move back to a tier 2 city. So clearly you have achieved that success from Bareilly and then, expanded beyond Bareilly. What is your advice to this younger generation?
This depends on family to family.
Okay.
In some families, they have some constraints. The children don't like that. That's why they are going out.
Right.
And in some families, they don't have that exposure with what those children are getting over there. They don't want to come back. But still, I say that they should come back and stay with their parents the maximum time they can.
Okay.
Give to their parents and live
Right.
with them. You don't
Right.
know how long they are going to live. And they should expand with the
Right.
new technologies and they should adopt those things
Right.
and
Right.
take their business to next levels.
Right, right.
I really feel once it's not easy also to go and settle outside.
True.
Once you go out, you get a reality check. Okay, I was good at my own hometown.
Place. True.
Right.
है ना? And when if you have got a platform, मतलब कोई शर्म नहीं होनी चाहिए running your own family business.
बिल्कुल. Nothing
वो
like
एक
it.
nothing like it.
Nothing
Nothing
like
like it. Even I joined at a time when it used to be a mithai shop.
Right.
है ना? Now it is a totally different kind of a concept,
Yes.
and it is. But मतलब I really don't think कि if you think that any work is small,
No
if it
work
is paying you, if you've got a platform, your parents have worked hard for it, you should go for it.
Exactly.
You should मतलब adopt it rather. उसको आपको you should take it to some bigger heights.
Right.
Definitely.
You've got a platform. एक आपको तो if you'll start from scratch in some other city, it will be a big मतलब बहुत बड़ा competition है बाहर. बड़े
You'll be a
बड़े
small
challenges
fish
हैं.
in the
It's a
sea.
big challenge.
यहाँ पे you
बिल्कुल.
have that recognition.
And life
you
is
have
not
that
easy in tier 1 cities.
It is not. Definitely.
Yes. In our small cities, you've got everything.
Everything.
सब कुछ है. You've got people, you've got friends, you've got a good circle, social circle, and you know the market.
Yeah.
The biggest thing. And your parents have already worked in it. तो आपको तो पहले से ही आपके पास तो आपके प्लेग्राउंड एक रेडी है.
Yes.
है ना? And they are there to help you also. The parents are there always.
Definitely. I always tell to boys कि भाई what a father can teach a son, nobody else.
Nobody can.
Yes.
Yes.
Nobody can.
My teacher is my dad.
So
Yeah.
even my teacher is my dad. So everybody's the children who follow their father's footsteps
Right.
always achieve greater heights in
Right.
life.
Right.
I tell you one thing. When like I joined my business, my dad used to look after the back end, and I used to look after the front end. But it went on, years passed, and I felt something is lacking. Like in the morning, we sit for the breakfast, and then we meet in the night, and that too at that time my dad was asleep.
Right.
तो मेरी अपने पापा से बात ही नहीं होती है. तो देन आई चेंज द थिंग्स. मैंने कहा यार सबसे बड़ी लर्निंग तो वहां पर है. उनसे ही मैं सब कुछ सीखता हूँ. उनके पास तो इतना ही गॉट सो मच टू टीच मी. देन आई स्टार्टेड सिटिंग विद माय डैड एवरी डे in my manufacturing unit. I started sitting for 2 hours with my dad,
Right.
and there the lessons started. You know, every day there was a new learning.
Yes.
मतलब कोई टीचर नहीं सिखा सकता
Definitely.
जो एक father
जो एक
Definitely.
फादर सिखा सकता है.
True.
मतलब
Very
I have also experienced this, and हमारे घर में तो we say it also कि this is something you will not learn in a Harvard Business School also.
Exactly.
You know,
No
the
teacher
small
will teach
case
you.
study. Exactly.
And every day is a case study for you.
Yes.
Every day they'll teach you something new. And not only this, if you are just sitting with them, you just watch them how they are working.
हाँ जी.
It is again a learning.
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah. Like I used to, when I had joined the business, I used to tell Papa ki, what do I do on a daily basis? Tell me, give me a list to do. He's like, just watch and learn.
Yes.
And that is what actually that I have
Exactly.
been able to do everything is because of that. Just observe, sunte raho, dekhte raho, and that
And
is
that's
my
why,
learning.
that's how I started also. Like I used to go to the shop and I used to sit there. मतलब in my spare time I used to go and sit there, and I just started like कि कैसे ये लोग वर्क कर रहे हैं, कैसे काम कर रहे हैं, how they are handling the teams, how they are handling the back end. तो वो सबसे बड़ा तो क्लासरूम वही है.
Right, definitely. एक मैं आप लोगों से definitely पूछना चाहती हूँ क्वेश्चन. आपका फेवरेट मेन्यू आइटम क्या है जनता से?
Yes, I to love your khandvi.
Really? Great. Mine is vada pav.
बड़ा पाव.
Yes,
Okay.
I like vada pav. मेरे को अच्छा लगता है. अभी मतलब अभी recently we started it, but I like vada pav.
Okay.
Although like now we are reaching around 50s both, है ना? तो I have started like putting some shackles to my cravings, but still अभी मन कर जाता है तो.
Right. And it's so readily available.
Yes. खुशबू आ जाती है.
My favorite is definitely the gulab jamun.
Really?
बट बहुत वेट करना पड़ता है अंकल. समर्स में तो लाइक सीजनल मिलता है वो भी हम लोगों को. सो वी आल्सो थिंक समटाइम्स इज दिस अ स्ट्रेटजी दैट यू आर यूजिंग टू मैनेज सप्लाई एंड डिमांड. एंड डेफिनेटली एवरी टाइम आई गो देयर आई थिंक देयर इज समथिंग न्यू टू ट्राई some more of it and ask you some fun questions. If your business were a Bollywood movie, what would be the title? Or a book, a movie or a book. What would be the title?
आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से.
अरे वाह. I think ये तो आप दोनों के लिए चल जाएगा.
दोनों के लिए चलेगा. आज की पार्टी मेरी तरफ से.
एंड इन योर बिजनेस इंडिया में जुगाड़ बहुत माइंडसेट होता है ना हम लोग का. सो इन योर लाइक डे टू डे लाइफ और सम मेजर मोमेंट्स जो जुगाड़ से सोल्यूशन निकला.
Ask my dad.
निकलते रहते हैं भाई.
बहुत निकलते हैं. Ask my dad.
निकलते ही रहते हैं.
He is in the he's looking after the back end. और वहाँ तो इतना कुछ करना पड़ता है. I remember there there was a machine assembled in India, but it's a Chinese machine. और कुछ उसमें प्रॉब्लम आ गया था, तो बहुत मैकेनिक्स उसको करने की कोशिश करते हैं. दे केप्ट ऑन फाइंडिंग उसका जो एक पार्ट सोल्यूशन, वो पार्ट उसका जो खराब था. एंड देन वो ट्रबल शूटिंग वाली बात. माय डैड वो ही कहते हैं ना, वो तो हम सब लोग कहते हैं कि वो ही इज एन इंजीनियर विदाउट अ डिग्री.
ओके.
तो वो उन्होंने अपना चलाया और ट्रबल शूटिंग करी, एंड कुछ ना कुछ उन्होंने जुगाड़ बनाया और वो मशीन इज वर्किंग टिल नाउ. आज तक उसको कभी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी.
Wow.
क्या बात है.
That's amazing. But I think India is the only country जो
Yes.
जुगाड़ से चलती है.
हाँ, हाँ.
काफी कुछ.
हाँ, इंडिया में बस सब कुछ बहुत कुछ जुगाड़ से चलता है.
चाहे how many other systems you have in place that end
Definitely.
moment जुगाड़.
Yes.
And जुगाड़ one combined with the relations. मतलब एक जुगाड़ वो वाला है मैकेनिकल, एक दूसरा वाला है.
हाँ,
उसमें
हाँ.
if you say if you have good relations, everything works out.
Yes.
Yes, yes, definitely.
Relationship matters.
In Bareilly, since we're talking about our city, if you could collaborate with any other business in Bareilly or an individual in Bareilly or any other entity in Bareilly, what would it be for and why?
Well, as we are into sweets and happiness, so we can join hands with the people who are into such kind of businesses, like we are into weddings also and celebrations. So all the business people who are into kind of same trades,
Right.
like jewelry you can say, or apparels.
Right.
So okay.
That cater to the wedding
Yes,
industry,
yes.
for
The
instance,
people who
or
are
the
catering-
festivities.
Exactly. Or the banquets. So we can do some kind of collaborations. Yes.
And about me, we can give these services to all over whoever wants.
Yes.
And the professional services, like we deal in only in income tax, we can collaborate with the GST ones.
Right.
And the service tax and all
Right.
matters, taxation matters. are different.
Okay, what is your go-to spot in Bareilly for street food or snacks or chai or a chai break?
मैं बताऊं? Although it is purely a desi point.
Yeah.
If you go to Cant and once you cross BI Bazaar, there is an auntie ka thela,
Okay.
and she sells tea and omelets and bun maska.
Right.
Awesome.
Okay.
And bhutta.
हाँ, bhutta also, she said. And I am
मतलब
telling
four
you,
things are there, and you'll get the pure desi feel. Or I think it's a very nice point, and they are very clean and tidy and like
Okay.
हाँ. Because मैं थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा
अच्छा.
I'm more particular about
जैसे आज वेदर अच्छा हो रहा था, हल्की सी बारिश में
जा
just
सकते हैं.
बारिश में तो भुट्टा.
maybe we'll see you there today.
भुट्टा. बारिश में तो हमारे घर में सबको क्रेविंग होती है भुट्टा.
अच्छा,
Go for a
okay.
भुट्टा.
And the really other point is that when you need food at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock at night, then you should go to the station.
हाँ.
And वो वाला चौराहे पे opposite पिंडी.
Remember
Opposite
Raja,
पिंडी.
when we used to study,
Yeah.
जब हमारे एग्जाम्स होते थे,
Used to go there.
we used to go
Go
there
there for
at
Baba
midnight.
Kanchai.
We used to stay at his place. हमारी ग्रुप स्टडी होती थी. वो ग्रुप स्टडी you know कैसी होती है जब फ्रेंड्स साथ में ग्रुप स्टडी करते हैं. And we used to go to the station. रात में जाकर we used to have chai and bun maska,
Bun maska,
all
yeah.
things there, and puri also.
Maggi
puri
also, that's
Maggi
the
also. And we used to go there for like such great memories, na?
To
So, as parents, would you want your children to come back to Bareilly and maybe join your line of work as well?
Yes, definitely.
Definitely, we would
We would
love to
Huh.
love them to join us.
Yes, even I want both my kids to join me, and we are keeping our fingers
Crossed.
crossed that they come to us.
Right. And
They
they'll
stay
have
here
the
with
best
us.
learnings ready for them already.
Parents are always there. Parents, they are the best classrooms, and they are always ready to help their kids, their children.
Only parents are there who want their children to go ahead of them. Nobody else except the parents want anybody to
And
go
they are the
ahead.
That
only
is very
selfless
true.
people
That
who
is
are.
very true.
They are the only selfless people
Selfless.
who are helping you, and they want to see you achieve greater heights. Whatever we are right now, we are just because
Due
our
to them.
parents.
बिल्कुल.
And they give you the truth as it
So,
is.
Exactly.
exactly.
मतलब not कि हर
Nothing
चीज के लिए
करने के लिए.
praise कर रहे हैं
नहीं नहीं
ऐसे
नहीं, रियलिटी चेक भी वही देते हैं, पेरेंट्स ही देते हैं.
Definitely. And that is very important.
आई नो, बिल्कुल सही
For
बात है.
actual growth,
हाँ, हाँ.
you have to learn from where you are making the mistakes.
True.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली. एंड मैं तो अपने जो भी कोई यंगस्टर्स मीट मी, आई टेल देम देयर आर नो मिरेकल्स इन दिस वर्ल्ड. यू हैव टू बी द मिरेकल.
Right.
Become your own godfather. No godfather is coming and holding your hand, taking you somewhere. Become your own godfather.
Right. Be your own godfather and pave the way.
Yes, yes, yes.
Actually.
एंड अंकल, हमने अब पता ही कर लिया कि आप इतनी चीज़ों में इन्वॉल्व हैं एंड आपने ऑलरेडी शेयर किया है कि फिलैंथ्रोपिक एक्टिविटीज़ आपके लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट हैं, बट आप इतना सारा मैनेज कैसे करते हैं? यू आर ट्रैवलिंग, यू आर देयर फॉर ऑल योर क्लाइंट्स एंड स्टिल यू आर as a Bareilly Club director and as the part of the
I tell you something. He's a Superman in a turban.
Definitely.
But you see, you have to take out time for everything. It is just a time management that I am doing.
Right.
I get up early in the morning and I go to Gurdwara Sahib and take care of Gurdwara Sahib. Then I devote some time for that community kitchen. Then I attend all the meetings of the club.
Right.
And I keep planning what next is to be done. And I put those agendas in the board meeting and get them passed
Okay.
for the benefit of the members. And all in the ambit of law.
Right.
And all according to the bylaws.
Right.
And nothing outside that.
Right. Right.
And then I take care of my profession. And my brother is there, the entire team is there.
Yes. Yes.
So it goes on like
I think
this.
your time management is something definitely that I should also learn.
I told you, na, he's a Superman in a turban.
नहीं.
And uncle, as a Bareilly Club director, what was your vision? अब आपने जो जो किया है, आपका vision क्या रहा है?
I just wanted to deliver it to my members.
Okay.
The club moves on the principle of mutuality. It is by the members, for the members.
Right.
So I always wanted that. They used to say that drinks are available, but no good food is available. So I, first of all, I hired a professional from Delhi, the
Right.
best team, who is running all the best restaurants all over the country. We have engaged him. He is running our kitchen. So I gave him 10 more business houses in Bareilly, 10 more restaurants. I said, they do this on no profit, no loss basis and earn your profit from other ways.
Right.
So he agreed.
Okay.
So he is running a kitchen. Now we are giving the best foods and at a very subsidized rates.
Right.
So everybody enjoys the food. Then about the drinks, we are having the best drinks which the other bars are having.
Yes.
Then the kitty venues, then the halls, the dining halls, then entertainment zones. Everything for the entertainment is available for our members.
And health also, I think.
Health, yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes.
Recently we built a new gym
Yes.
with the best of all machines and all. The best swimming pool, the squash court, badminton court,
Yes.
lawn tennis court.
And I've seen the younger generation. You have captured the younger generation
too.
also now with the gym.
He's targeted the right point.
Yes,
No?
yes.
The right
Everyone I
people.
speak to in the evening, कहाँ जा रहे हो? Bareilly
Bareilly
Club के
Club,
gym जा रहे हैं.
actually.
Best equipment, best facilities, and so centrally located for everyone.
Definitely it
The
is.
side club also, the one that is Club 9.
And
Yeah.
Cloud9.
Yes, a lot of events taking place.
Yes.
अब वहीं होते हैं, a lot of them.
बिल्कुल,
A lot of them. And uncle, I've also heard, little birdie has told us that you are very fond of writing. So how did that come about?
I really don't know. When I was in school, there was a teacher, Sir Colbert Dennis. When he used to teach, I never like कभी अंदर से feel नहीं हुआ कि ये class miss हो जाए. He was such a good teacher, and I think that was the point when I I had an inclination towards literature. Although I didn't go for literature in my higher studies, but शायद वहाँ से it started inside me. Then later on, in our busy lives, whenever I used to get time, I used to read a lot. Not the books, but on internet. Like I used to be on Twitter, and I used to at that time Twitter was something different. Now Twitter has gone more of political and so many other things. But at that time Twitter used to be Twitter.
Right.
There used to be two-liners, beautiful two-liners. Like people used to put the whole word in 2 lines. That time there was a word limit also. अभी तो बहुत उसमें हो गया. And then I started कि even I can I have some ideas, so I can put my ideas into those just 2 or 3 lines. So I started doing it, and gradually करते करते मैं करने लगा. But that was my personal zone. I never discussed it with any of my friends or anybody. Kept on writing. कुछ करते करते फिर वो
Right.
बढ़ गया.
हाँ, एक क्रिएटिव चैनल आपका चल रहा था.
चल रहा.
So, as a parting message, आप लोगों के पास कुछ अच्छे शब्द हैं कहने के लिए, I know. So I'm waiting to hear those.
After you.
I would recite a poem I wrote few days back, rather I think a few months back. It is a Hindi poem. It is about us, basically, the people who are existing right now, and आगे फ्यूचर में क्या सोचेंगे लोग. ओके, सोचेंगे या हम क्या होंगे. तो इट्स लाइक, दूर उस अगले काल खंड में शायद कोई कभी नहीं जान पाएगा कि हम भी कभी यहाँ जिया करते थे, कि हमने भी अपने पैरों से इन सड़कों को छुआ था, कि हमने भी अपने अस्तित्व के संघर्ष में खुद को जलाया था, कि हम भी कभी झूमे थे छोटी छोटी खुशियों में. कोई भी कभी भी नहीं जान पाएगा कि हमने ट्रेन की खिड़कियों से झरनों को देखा था, कि हमने सड़क किनारे ढाबों की चारपाई पर बैठी हवा में ठंडी सांस ली थी.
क्या बात.
कोई भी कभी नहीं जान पाएगा कि हम भी जीवन की छत पर तब तक खड़े रहे जब तक कि दूसरे यहाँ नहीं आ गए. I mean the next generation.
Yes.
True. Very nice.
And one more, it's an English one. I've learnt with time that it's not worthy to know more and more about this world and the people around, rather to live and enjoy whatever is evident, whatever is real, what is real peace. That's more joy in knowing less. Like everybody is कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हम जान लें, किसी की दूसरे की लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है वो जान लें. It's
Yes. Your
People are more
own peace is
concerned,
the
yeah.
most important.
Yeah.
there's more joy in knowing less.
Yes.
ये बहुत पहले लिखी थी मैंने.
But yeah,
Good.
I think very important thoughts to take away from.
My relationship with my poetry, again एक और छोटी सी poetry है. मैं टाइम ले रहा हूँ.
नहीं, it's
राजू भाई.
okay. It's okay.
My poetry watches me from the corner when I'm writing her down. She watches me as I talk to myself, biting my pen, a bit lost, staring at those pages and some unwritten lines, searching for the right words, refreshing my memory with a fluttering pen in my fingers, and some dancing words in my head. Then suddenly a smile, as if I've crafted a perfect one.
Great.
Wow.
Very nice.
That was so. I actually imagined the whole picture as you were saying it. Yeah. Very well said. Thank you so much for sharing this, Uncle.
Some spiritual words from
Yes.
Actual words, nahi, I just wanted to say a line from the Guru Granth Sahib,
Def-
which I follow.
Okay.
And it is अवल अल्लाह नूर पाया कुदरत के सब बंदे एक नूर ते सब जग उपया कौन भले को मंदे. So one should follow this. सब ऊपर वाले के ही हम सब बंदे हैं.
Yes.
And we should stay with love with each other and maintain peace all over.
Right, definitely. I think this is also an important learning
Definitely.
as a person, as an individual, that we should
So
carry
nice.
with us.
Definitely.
Thank you so much, Amit uncle and Raja uncle, for coming, taking the time,
Thank you very
taking
much.
the time we took
It
to,
was a
set
pleasure.
up the
It was
mics.
an honor for both
It
of
was
us.
an honor and a pleasure talking to you.
Actually.
I'm so glad, but I learned a lot, and I'm sure that our audience will also have a lot to learn. And they'll probably stop you the next time they're at a party for some question or the other. But really, I had an amazing, amazing time.
Thank you
And
very
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
much.
Akriti.